what normally happens is that Amazon's rollout follows a very, very set systematic path, okay? So what you are waiting for is Amazon FBA to come out of beta, because currently it's in beta phase, and there are people who are using Amazon FBA in Australia, and Amazon is shipping products all over Australia. And so you're waiting for it to come out of beta and go into what's called alpha. Alpha just means that everybody gets to use it rather than a few early testers. And then once it comes out of beta, it goes into alpha. Once it's in alpha, everybody gets it. The next step of their evolution is to launch Amazon Fresh. And Bezos has consistently said that Australia is a prime marketplace for Amazon Fresh, which is code speak for we're going to kill all of the big retailers by launching Amazon Fresh here. As code speak for that, of course. So there's no doubt in my mind that they will launch it. And what typically happens, John, is once FBA has launched properly and they've gone through that second phase of alpha testing, then they will launch Amazon Fresh. And the reason they can't do it before is because for a lot of the products that get sold through Amazon Fresh require some form of refrigeration. They require some form of refrigeration. And so it's that test phase for FBA that facilitates the next phase for Amazon Fresh. So currently, John, you're in a little bit of a holding pattern. You're just waiting for that to launch, as am I. We have currently got 150 different products all waiting to go live on Amazon Fresh in one of the businesses I'm involved in. And we're just waiting for that to happen. As soon as that happens, then it's game on. But I'm in the same situation as you, John. I'm just waiting for Fresh to launch. In the interim, why not launch something else on Amazon? Given that you're selling sauerkraut, why not launch your own sauerkraut making product? I know there's one particular one I thought about the other day that makes yogurt, makes kimchi, makes sauerkraut. What's the other one? Is it kefir as well? Something like that. I can't remember the exact word for it. But that's a very, very good product and would sell really, really well in Australia. And what you'll find is you can bundle those two things together, because usually people what like sauerkraut also like the idea of making it as well, and vice versa. And it shouldn't cannibalize too much of your sales, because what usually happens is people get all excited about making their own stuff and then realize it's actually quite hard once they've brought all the stuff, and then it sits in their kitchen, in their cupboard, never to see the light of day again. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.